In this video, I'll show you how to connect Shopify and Printify. It is a straightforward and clearly described in the video, so follow all the steps. But before we dive into all of it, make sure you hit the subscribe button below and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. So I'm here at Printify.com. So basically, Printify.com or Printify and Shopify are different platforms, but they are partners in terms of integrating and empowering e-commerce to entrepreneurs who want to start and run their own custom product businesses with ease. All right, so because it will enable you to focus on building your brand, creating unique designs, and serving your customers while leaving the printing and shipping logistics to professionals. So how do we connect Printify to Shopify? First, you gotta log in to both of your accounts. All right. So if you have an account on Printify, log in. But if you don't have, it's okay because all you gotta do is hover down to your Shopify store. All right. Log into your Shopify store and then you go here at the app section and click add apps. Okay. After doing so, you're gonna choose find more apps in the Shopify app store right here, and you will be directed to another page. So there's a lot of apps that you can integrate with your Shopify. So what we're going to do is search for Printify, right? Make sure it's the one that you're looking for, because there's like print on demand, drop shipping, Printify, print on demand. So click on it, and then you will be asked to install so that it will integrate to your Shopify. But again, if you have already a login account to your Printify, it's going to be a lot easier, because when we click install, what will happen is it will ask some information first. But again, if you already have it logged in, so you will skip this process. All right, so this app needs to access customer and store information, edit customer information, and all you're gonna do is click install app. All right, that's it. That's how you connect Printify to Shopify. But if you have like having problems, say you have already a logged in account to Printify, but it's not allowing you to integrate with Shopify, all you're gonna do is contact Printify for support, and they will be more than glad to assist you. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.